screwing with the Pitbike engine.
Now we need to find out how we're gonna take out the oil when we have the engine on the table.
We are working in this
Huge garage. So
It's like in UK.
this is the thing we're gonna take out. Of course, we're gonna take this. Of course, we have 17. This is how I heat my garage up.
It's
Gas Tecos 17. It's pretty warm. Ooh, that was.
tighten the bolt that holds the muffler in place.
Just to be sure. That does not work. Yeah, that works. Gonna take these off. Let's take these off.
We need something to put the oil in.
Magic.
Today not.
Okay. Good.
I think it's a little bit metal in the oil.
Oh shit.
Is it supposed to be?
Yes.
Yeah. I think you can put the screw back.
But it's in the oil.
Oh,
I think we leave it out.
do you have magnet?
No. I will just put paper.
Yeah.
Make sure there's not still peeing.
It will spill anyways when you open the cylinder.
Yeah.
Take apart the motor.
This looks like water.
Yeah.
Oi saatana. Now we have set the timing with F that indicates flywheel with the mark someone made here, and this is facing
Straight. Horizontal.
Now you take picture or something so you remember exactly the way you have it, and then you take apart.
Let's start by removing this top.
Cylinder, the top head.
This thing over there. And after we have taken the motor apart, we are going to paint the motor inside the motor with this Tecos paint. Do you get it? Yeah. You got it.
This one I remember when I was gonna check this. No, it's not this one. One of these, the whole stud comes out.
The whole stud?
Yeah.
Okay.
And as you can see here, they put way too long, so I have it the way they have it.
Someone put the way too long bolt screw, and it came out of the block.
Okay.
Good job. The previous owner was a little bit
Idiot.
yeah, idiot. Soon 4 bolts are out. Yeah.
Yes. Which one was it? Maybe not this stuff.
Yeah.
This one. Tight.
Is there different length on
No. This
head studs?
This one should be longer.
Yeah. They are all the different
Like
lengths.
one. Yeah, this is the longest one on this.
What? What?
Now we're gonna try to look at the pipes.
Easy.
How to make good
Two. Two are the same length at least.
this.
Yeah. Yeah. Whoa!
Let's take a look.
Let's take a look.
Beautiful valves.
Yes. maybe take out the gasket pieces that are falling in the engine.
That's a good idea.
Yeah.
They like these black gasket things.
Yeah.
Now we need to take off this.
Yeah.
But that's the smaller one.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, we have sponsored tools, by the way.
Tecos.
Look, we have made our own tool brand. You could buy it somewhere. Don't know where we sell it yet.
It's not focused. Oh, Tecos, look.
I don't know really where we sell it yet, but soon at web shop.
Yeah. Link in the description.
Okay. Let's start with this one instead. And that one is loose.
Nice.
Let's take that once. It's like moving weird.
It's slippery.
Think it can. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Last one.
Last.
It came now.
Oh, nice.
Now we can go back. Need to get some more paper too.
Paper instructions.
No, not needed in Tecos there.
No. As you can see, we have soon taken this apart.
Of course.
You need a order tool for it.
Let's take a look. Well.
So, we found the 10mm. So now we can take this, now we can continue with this. With this disassembly.
This assembly.
With this disassembly. Yes. Just like so.
Good.
Let it go.
Yeah.
Let it go.
And it's out. Holy fuck, how much oil
Oh.
there has been here.
There's a little.
Only the
It's not
of course, only the exhaust valve.
Oh, it's a lit. Oh, it doesn't focus.
We need to clean this with sandpaper.
The piston doesn't have any build-up.
That's good. We'll take a close look. Oh, yeah.
Whoa! All the.
Grease.
Yeah. It smokes really badly.
Yeah, the engine told me it needs a checkup.
Yeah. 15 centuries
What's
straight.
this?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
No.
No, it's loose. Now you can take that thing. That chain guide. Oh, it's rolling down the engine.
Rolling on the end.
Rolling in the engine. Just take the piston off.
Piston.
I mean the cylinder. No
this,
scars at
this
least.
Is gonna take off because I can keep this.
Yeah, maybe.
If I don't destroy it. That is. No.
Take there from the other side, maybe.
Yup.
Whoa. Oh.
This we keep.
Yeah. It looks pretty good,
Yeah.
I say.
Yeah, now the heating starts up.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say now because
Jaha. Nu kan inte jag...